Hey guys, welcome back to Math with Marilyn. Before we get started, make sure you grab a pencil and some paper so that you can take proper notes and follow along. So today we're going to evaluate algebraic expressions. The goal is for you to be able to use the order of operations to evaluate algebraic expressions for any given value. So our first example is 5 times y plus 2, and we want to evaluate this expression when y equals 8. So the first step, and I'm going to list these as steps. So step 1 is called substitution, which means you're going to take the number value for y and replace y for 8 in the algebraic expression. So that will look like 5 open parentheses, which means you're doing 5 times what's in the parentheses. In the place of y, you're going to put 8 because that's what they are telling us that y equals. And then I'm going to bring down my 2 as well as close my parentheses. Step 1 is complete, substitution. Once you complete your substitution, step 2 is to use the rules for order of operations to finish your problem and find your final solution. So I'm just going to put PEMDAS. Alright, so if I go through my checklist, and if you recall from my previous video, I like to write PEMDAS so it looks like this. My P, remember, means I'm checking to see if I have parentheses that need simplified, and in this case I do. So that's where I'm going to start. So I'll have 8 plus 2 simplifies to 10, and then I'm going to bring everything else down. So my parentheses are simplified. They are done. Do I have any exponents? The E stands for exponents. In this example, I do not, so I'm going to move on. Next thing to look for is any multiplication or division. And in this case, I do have multiplication. 5 beside these parentheses without any operation sign in between. For example, without an addition sign, a subtraction sign, or a division sign, automatically lets me know that I'm multiplying these two things. So this means 5 times 10, which simplifies to 50. So my answer in this expression, 5 times y plus 2, when y equals 8, the solution is 50. So let's recap real quick. We are evaluating algebraic expressions. The goal is to use substitution and then order of operations when given a particular value for your variable to find your final solution. Our example was 5 times y plus 2. They want us to evaluate this expression when y equals 8. So our step 1 was substitution. We replaced y with 8. Everything else from the original problem stayed the same. Once we completed the substitution part, step 2 was using your order of operations, which we refer to as PEMDAS, to help as a guide. I typically write mine like this so that I can remember that for multiplication and division, you solve it from left to right, and addition and subtraction, you solve from left to right whenever either of these are in the same problem. So I went through my checklist looking to simplify parentheses. In this case, I did need to do so. So I had 8 plus 2 simplifies to 10. Bring your 5 in your parentheses down. Then I went to my next step, possible step, E, which stands for exponents. In this case, I didn't have any exponents, so I checked it off and went to the next thing. My next operation was multiplication, and my 5 times my 10 simplified to 50. After that, I'm done, and 50 was my final answer. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. Make sure to like it and to subscribe to my channel, Math with Marilyn. Thank you.